In this video we have a foldable mini steam iron from Temu. This cost me around £6. Some of the features are that it heats rapidly, it has a rotatable handle which is anti-slip, and it's ideal for travel use. And apparently you'll get wrinkle-free clothes in minutes. Now this person has sold over 5,000 of these. It has a rating of 4.5 stars out of 5. And then we just have a little, you can see in the picture there, all that lovely steam coming out of the iron. Just scroll down a bit to a couple of reviews. 5 stars, love this travel iron. It's so lightweight, but the steam you get from it is perfect for overly creased items of clothing. Excellent purchase and very lightweight for taking on your travels. Easy to use, true to picture. Bought for a pal who makes curtains so she can do a quick iron when at clients' houses. She loves it. Also great for quick touch-ups to clothes after unpacking on your travels. Now as you can see, I have it turned on. Leave it on for around 3 minutes just to make sure that it heats up fully. We do have water in the tank. You literally just pull that tab up, get yourself some water, pour it in there. We've got some basic instructions, and I'll just show you. This plate does get hot, so be careful. It has a 3-point. You can iron from this position, you can iron from that position, and you can iron from that position. I'm just going to let it heat up fully, and then we'll give it a go. So we're ready for it, give it a try. You can see got some light creases in this small top. Now underneath, underneath you can see that that's actually leaking a little bit. Underneath we have the steam nozzle here. I just can get this on camera. It's certainly not like you see in the picture. And you have a look there, it's actually really wet, so it's not steam that it's letting out as such, it's more like a spray. So as far as that's concerned, it's useless, but we'll give it a go. It is lightweight. To be honest, for me, it's probably too light. I mean, the point of an iron usually is it has some decent weight to it, as that helps to push out creases and stuff. You can see there, it really is wet though. Basically just spread water everywhere. Oh, that surprised me. I mean, it has ironed the creases out. I'm not going to do the sleeves and everything, I'm just... Is it worth £6? Probably. Is it going to perform miracles in your ironing? Definitely not. And the steam function is pointless. And as you can see, it's just wet everything. A good indicator of how well something works from Temu is to check the bad reviews. Ignore all the good reviews and just load the bad reviews up. Usually bad reviews are honest. Works okay for t-shirts, not so great for denim or linen. And the steam doesn't work either, as we've just seen. 2 stars, very bad. Lots of 2 stars. Not saying why they're giving it 2 stars. 1 star. Can't seem to get it to work right. This product is marketed as a steamer with steam shown coming out of the bottom in the picture provided. This is not the case, and its only function is to iron. Works as an iron, but I did not receive what I purchased.